Let me quickly show you the way that you customize or change your cash tag on Cash App. Welcome back to this quick tutorial video. If you're wanting to change your cash tag from a current one to add in a new one, it's going to be a fairly simple process. So what you want to do is from the home screen of your Cash App, head over to the profile icon on the top right. Once you're inside of the profile section and on the account section, you'll see the option called Edit Profile. Now, based upon your account updates, the edit section or the edit profile section might be somewhere down below as well. So find this particular option and just tap on Edit Profile. Inside of Edit Profile, you're going to see your current cash tag being displayed. You can just tap on that option, and Cash App gives you the option of changing and removing the existing cash tag that you have. Make sure that you select a unique cash tag that is currently available. Now, the other thing that you need to do is you need to inform people that send you money through Cash App that your old cash tag now has been changed. Otherwise, if someone else claims your old cash tag, the payment will be made or the money will be transferred to the other person that claims it. So make sure you inform anyone that frequently sends you money. So that's basically it on the way that you customize your cash tag on Cash App. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.